Have you ever imagined a car that feels like an extension of yourself? Welcome to the exciting revolution of personalization in luxury vehicles. Gone are the days when luxury meant standard, off-the-shelf models. Today, it's about crafting an exclusive experience that mirrors your unique style and preferences. This evolution didn't happen overnight. It's the result of years of technological advancements and innovative thinking. The journey began with basic customizable options. Think adjustable seats and climate control. But as technology advanced, so did the possibilities. Enter the era of bespoke masterpieces, where every detail of your car, from the ambient lighting to the upholstery, can be tailored to your liking. Imagine stepping into a vehicle where the lighting reflects your mood, the seat contours to your body, and the material of the upholstery speaks volumes about your discerning taste. Picture a car that's not just a mode of transport, but a personalized statement of who you are. Now, that's luxury redefined. Imagine stepping into a vehicle bathed in your favorite hue, with ambient lighting that dances to your mood music. But personalization goes beyond aesthetics. It's about creating a harmony between you and your vehicle, making it a seamless extension of your persona. The latest advancements in biometric technology are fueling this trend. Cars are now capable of recognizing you, adjusting to your individual settings, and catering to your unique needs. Think about stepping into a vehicle that welcomes you by name. Its climate control, anticipating your comfort level, adjusting seat positions, and the music system transitioning to your curated playlist. All of this, the moment you enter. Now, let's talk about artificial intelligence. Advanced AI systems are enhancing personalization, taking it to new heights. These systems are learning your driving habits, understanding your preferences, and even suggesting optimal routes. They can pre-program your navigation based on your daily schedule, making every journey effortless and enjoyable. Imagine your car learning your driving habits, suggesting optimal routes, and even pre-programming